heat, no cold feet, I'm locked in. Go against me, you might need a coffin. Where's the competition? Cause I don't see none. Matter of fact, there'll be none, so y'all can run the rerun. Show you how to work, I roll the sleeves.
This is a package that I can't wait to open with you guys.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and this a minute. Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and this a minute.
I'm genuinely obsessed with Apple CarPlay. It syncs seamlessly with my iPhone, so I never have to touch the phone while driving. I can control music, maps, messages right from the screen. The interface is clean, and with Siri voice commands, everything stays hands-free and smooth. It's one of those features that you don't realize you need until you actually use it. When I bought my BMW GS Adventure, it came with the BMW Navigator 5, but I wasn't too impressed. The screen was hard to see in sunlight, and the interface felt clunky and outdated. Even simple tasks like transferring GPX files from the computer to the unit were a hassle. Compared to my Garmin XT, it just wasn't as intuitive. That said, I did like the ability to control it with the Wonder Wheel without taking my hands off the handlebars. Now, I'm really excited about the package I got today, not just because it's a product that I wanted to try for a long time, but also because it's my first brand collaboration. I had a great chat with the team at Carpuride and told them that I was only going to make a video if I felt that the product was good and that I really liked it, that I genuinely liked it. They were confident that I would, and they encouraged honesty, even if I didn't like it. So let's dive in. So some of the key features you get with the Carpuride W702BS, which is a dedicated model to most compatible BMW bikes with Wonder Wheel. Obviously, you get a large high-definition 7-inch anti-glare touchscreen that's rated IP67, meaning you can use it in all weather conditions. You can fully control the unit using the Wonder Wheel, as in navigate through your music collection, zoom in and out of maps, take calls, etc. The device offers the choice between Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The great thing with the Carpuride is that you don't need any cables to connect. It's done automatically. After the initial pairing, you just need to turn the bike on and bam, you're connected. Engine data like RPMs, mileage and more, as well as TPMS, can be displayed directly onto the unit. Obviously, your bike needs to have TPMS to start with. It provides intercom functionality, allowing two people that are connected to the Carpuride to communicate, but also listen to the same music simultaneously. Let's go fit the Carpuride onto the motorbike. To install the Carpuride onto the machine, it's exactly the same way that you would install the Garmin or the BMW Navigator. So all you do is just align it, click, and that's it. And then you can lock it up with your key, move away. Protected, simple to install. Now let's see how simple it's going to be to connect to our Carpuride to our phone. All we need to do is go to our phone settings and go into Bluetooth, scroll at the bottom to see if there's any new devices. You'll see the Carpuride bracket something. All you do on the Carpuride unit is you go to your settings, and you go from there to Bluetooth, and then once you select on your phone the Carpuride, it'll come up with a code. You match the passkeys, you say pair on your phone, allow contacts and favorites to sync. You just choose connect on your phone, and if everything is successfully connected after you press allow, you'll automatically see Apple CarPlay displayed, and that's it. All you have to do now is connect your phone with your headset device on your helmet, and you're done. As you can see, you can change the boot up screen to whatever image you want. I chose to put my logo. I have a link to a video I watched with instructions on how to do it in the description section. So as you saw, setting up the Carpuride is very easy. To use the Carpuride is even easier. You push the menu button upwards to toggle between TFT and nav modes. Select nav mode to take control of the Carpuride. Then it's as simple as turning the Wonder Wheel up or down to select the app that you'd like to use, and then pushing the Wonder Wheel. Let's have a look. So yeah, if I push the Wonder Wheel towards the right, I make the selection. It's as simple as that. And then I'll keep doing the same thing, up and down to make the selection that I'm after, and then bang, done. Now to get out of the Apple CarPlay, all you need to do is push the Wonder Wheel towards the left for a couple of seconds, and it brings you to the Apple CarPlay main screen. Now, as you can see, you can actually, you've got different data here that you can change. Right now it's a kilometers per hour. If I hold down the kilometers per hour, let me show you. For a couple of seconds, it'll change to miles per hour. Same thing, hold that down for a couple of seconds, and it'll change back to kilometers an hour. Looking at the temperature, right now it's at Celsius. Hold that for a couple of seconds and it'll change to Fahrenheit. Back to Celsius. If I want to change between day mode and night mode, hold down the mode, a couple of seconds, and back to night mode. Same thing. So it's pretty intuitive. To go back into Apple CarPlay, hold the Wonder Wheel towards the right a couple of seconds, your Apple CarPlay. If you want to invoke Siri, hold the button towards the Wonder Wheel towards the right for a couple of seconds, and it'll do that for you too. There you go. Now let's jump on the bike.
So I've been waiting for a couple of weeks because I wanted to test it out properly. I wanted to see what it's actually like to live with, to actually not just, install it, turn it on and, go through some features. If I'm going to recommend this unit, I need to know that it works well and that it's practical, and that basically it's an add-on that's worth actually spending some money on. Now, after having a couple of overnighters and a couple of decent trips, I can attest to how good this unit is. It's extremely bright during the day, dims down when the sun goes down as well. It's the fact that I can control it using the Wonder Wheel is simply amazing. I've got my CarPlay at the moment, but I can switch back to the native look of the unit. As you can see there, it's got the tire pressure gauge thing, it's got temperatures, it's got pretty much odometers, trip, everything. It's got everything. Highly customizable. Obviously now it's showing kilometers per hour. If I just hold that down, it changes to miles per hour. It's just an amazing unit. If you like CarPlay in your car, then you're definitely going to love this. If you're not a fan of technology and so on, well, maybe not, and maybe it's not for you. But the ease of install, the ease of use, everything about it screams well worth the purchase.